Vitamin B12 is an essential nutrient that your body can't make on its own, so you need to get it from your diet or from supplements. Vegetarians, people who are pregnant or nursing, and others who are at risk of deficiency may want to track their diets closely to make sure they're getting enough. Here are 6 foods rich in vitamin B12 to add to your shopping list. Sardines. Sardines are small, soft-boned saltwater fish. They're usually sold canned in water, oil, or sauces, though you can also buy them fresh. Sardines are especially nutritious because they contain good amounts of almost every single nutrient. A 1 cup, 150 gram, serving of drained sardines provides 554% of the DV for vitamin B12. Furthermore, sardines are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to provide many health benefits, such as reducing inflammation and improving heart health. Salmon. Salmon is well known for having one of the highest concentrations of omega-3 fatty acids. It's also an excellent source of B vitamins. A half fillet, 178 grams, of cooked salmon can pack 208% of the DV for vitamin B12. The same serving may also provide 4,123 milligrams of omega-3 fatty acids. Eggs. Eggs are a great source of complete protein and B vitamins, especially B2 and B12. 2 large eggs, 100 grams, supply about 46% of the DV for vitamin B12, plus 39% of the DV for vitamin B2. Research has shown that egg yolks have higher levels of vitamin B12 than egg whites. The B12 in egg yolks is also easier to absorb. Therefore, it's recommended to eat whole eggs instead of just their whites. In addition to getting a good dose of vitamin B12, you'll get a healthy amount of vitamin D. Eggs are one of the few foods that naturally contain it. Milk and dairy products. Milk and other dairy products, such as yogurt and cheese, are great sources of protein and several vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B12. Full-fat plain yogurt may also be a decent source. It has even been shown to help improve vitamin B12 status in people who are deficient in this vitamin. Interestingly, studies have found that your body absorbs vitamin B12 in milk and dairy products better than the vitamin B12 in beef, fish, or eggs. Tuna. Tuna is a commonly consumed fish and a great source of nutrients, including protein, vitamins, and minerals. It contains high concentrations of vitamin B12, especially in the muscles right beneath the skin, which is known as dark muscles. Canned tuna also contains a decent amount of vitamin B12. Beef. Beef is an excellent source of vitamin B12. 1 grilled flat iron steak, about 190 grams, provides 467% of the DV for vitamin B12. Also, the same amount of steak contains reasonable amounts of vitamins B2, B3, and B6, as well as more than 100% of the DVs for selenium and zinc.